When packing at the stove, you first need to turn off the fuel. That is, turn the fuel valve righty-tighty. Like that. Once the flames are completely off and you're sure that the stove is cool, you can take it apart. It should take approximately 5 minutes for the stove to cool. Now that 5 minutes have passed, you should check if the stove is cool or not. It is cool, so you can start unpacking the stove. You should first take off the side foil and fold it up along its fold lines, not too tightly or the aluminum foil will break apart. After you do that, you should unhook the gas canister from the fuel line by clipping off the metal clip and pulling out the fuel line. You can then unhinge the 3 set legs of the stove so you can then clip this clip back on over the middle of the legs. You should then fold up the bottom foil as well, making sure not to fold them too tightly or the tin foil will start breaking. And then you can replace them all in the bag. You should also take off the pump from the fuel canister. When you're taking off the pump, you should realize that it will most likely explode with fuel coming off the edges. So make sure to cover the edges with your hand while you're opening it up so that the squirts of fuel won't go all over the place. Once you've done that, you can replace the fuel cap onto the fuel can, and you can put everything back into the stove's bag.